Good day. We're going to test some car wash water with ozone and see how long it takes to clear it up. We've got a K1 ozone generator, and it's going to be running off an oxygen concentrator. It's an Aircept Topaz, and we'll put it in 3 different glasses. One will be initial, one is after 5 minutes, one is after 10 minutes, just to see how fast the ozone can clear up this water. And we'll put the air stone in. Alright, so now it's ozonating. We're going to do it for 5 minutes and then again in 10 minutes. Okay, so the timer went off. We'll go ahead and take a sample and then run it for another 5 minutes. Yummy. So there's the 2. Original 5 minutes, and then this will be 10 minutes. Okay, that's another 5 minutes going by. So I'll turn everything off. And we'll take one last sample. And here we go. That was 10 minutes ago, that was 5 minutes ago, and that's right now. So that's our smallest ozone generator for car wash applications. That's our K1 model. It's 10 grams an hour, and you have to run it with oxygen, because if you try to run it with regular air, you'll put nitrate in the water, which grows algae. But the 2 combined, oxygen and ozone, work really well, and it sure does make a difference.